It took me less than 1 hour to make $350 on this website. Yes. And guess what? If I can do it, you too can do it as well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a minimum of $200 in a day. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and your massive support to your girl right here on this channel. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Guys, like I said, there is this website where I cashed in $350 just in 1 hour. Yes, it's a market research website. And of course, I'm going to be sharing with you in the course of today's video. But yes, here on this channel, I share practical ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, whether you're a student, you're a worker, or you're looking to earn extra side, income, or you are a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad. Without further ado, let's get right into the very first thing that you can do to start making money from the comfort of your home today and now. Now, do you know that you can sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle? I am telling you, self-publishing ebooks on Amazon Kindle is a fantastic way to share your knowledge or even storytelling skills. You can use Kindle Direct Publishing to upload and market your books. Now, do you also know that you can sell courses, online courses on Udemy? Guys, Udemy is a popular platform for selling online courses. You can design a course around your expertise, whether it's graphic design, coding, or cooking, and earn passive income. Do you know you can also become a freelancer on Fiverr? Fiverr is a hub for freelancers and they offer a variety of services. From writing to design, you can create a profile, set competitive prices, and start building your client base. My people, do you also know that you can become a travel agent, an online travel agent, and you can help clients plan their dream vacations as a remote travel agent? You can use platforms like Travel Planners International to access tools and resources. And as a matter of fact, if you also want to make money as a travel planner, yes, maybe as an affiliate, I'm going to put the link to a resourceful and reliable travel planner in the description, yes, so that you can reach out and also become a travel agent yourself. Yes, you're welcome. Now, one other thing people are not looking at is renting out your space on Airbnb. Guys, if you have extra space, you can rent it out on Airbnb. Highlight unique features, yes, and use quality photos to attract guests and earn passive income. Yes, in today's video as well, I'll also be showing you how to avoid scams. Yes, how to avoid scams in the course of looking for, ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. It's okay for you to want more, whether you have, a current job, you want to augment your income. It's okay to always want more. It's okay to be Oliver Twist. Yes. And another thing is, you might be broke. You need money. And it's okay because I have been broke before. I never ever want to be there again. And I get it. So if you need money, consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. Here are ways to avoid scams. Please make sure that you do your own research before signing up for any website to earn money online. So make sure that you do thorough research about the websites, check out the reviews, check out their payment structure and any complaints that are lodged against the website. Then check the payment structure. Yes, because most legitimate online learning websites will have a detailed payment structure. Read through the terms and conditions to understand the payment structure and ensure that it is fair and legitimate, and ensure safety before signing up any online earning website. Make sure that the website is encrypted, is secure and encrypted. Of course, you see the padlock sign on the website link. Please do not be fooled by the get-rich-quick schemes that most online earning websites promise you quick money. They are usually scams. Be wary of websites that promise you easy money with little efforts, and be wary of upfront payments. You don't have to pay to get these jobs. Yes, legitimate websites don't require upfront payments or anything like that before you start earning. It's likely going to be a scam. Also beware of clickbait. Clickbait is a tactic that is used by scammers to lure people on clicking on malicious links or giving away personal information. So be wary of websites that use clickbait titles or descriptions. Be bold. Ask questions if you're not sure about a website. Feel free to ask questions or contact their customer service. Legitimate websites will be more than happy to answer any questions that you love. Guys, there are various possibilities for online learning earning websites to make our living in the age of the internet's significant growth. And these are some of the most reliable websites for finding online jobs that allow you to work from home. Guys, majority of online earning jobs usually include identifying the audience's problem. You need to find a problem to tackle, then show how your services can solve it. Even the websites I've shared with you are top picks for making money online. There are so many other chances that are available for you to make money online. Now, which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Yes, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Now, the websites where I was able to make $350 in less than an hour is called usertest.com. Usertest.com. Yes, you can head over there and see what works best for you. Some people, I hear some people say, oh, the money they are offering is small. Always start, always filter. Whenever you get on this website, filter on highest earning to low. Yes, you're welcome. You know, we work smart. We don't just work hard. I don't spend unnecessary time on any website. I just check, is it for me? Is it a right fit for me? What is the highest they can pay? And what is it that they need to do, at the lowest, shortest possible time. So besties, that is all I have for you today. If you are new to this channel, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. Introduce yourself in the comments. Please, I want to know your name, where you are watching from, what you do for a living, how did you find my video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money, and you don't want to miss it for anything. And just so you know, we too have launched our blog. So go ahead and check out our blog page in the comments. Yes, subscribe to our blog for more updates, because yes, I publish an article every single day on the blog. Guys, I told you that to have, to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to develop great work ethics. You need to keep working when others have gone to sleep. That is one great thing about being an entrepreneur. You are still there working while your workers have gone to bed, because there is a lot, involved in being an entrepreneur, working for yourself and also paying others that are working with you. So guys, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you can find the link in my description as well as in the comments. Go ahead and join my Patreon community. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. And yes, we can talk about business, grants, money, and everything in between, how to make money online and whatever struggles that you're having right now. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, let me go and start making money right away.